Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you? I hope you and your family are fine and enjoying good health. Attend your virtual classes and do your homework regularly. Okay, so it's your science class. Now get your science book and open chapter number 1. Here is unit number 1 and the title of our unit number 1 is Nutrition in Plants. In our previous class, we have discussed about nutrition. What is nutrition? Nutrition is a substance which the organism obtains from the surrounding to derive energy from the maintenance and growth. Okay students, we have also discussed about the modes of nutrition. There are two modes of nutrition. Number 1 is autotrophic mode of nutrition and number 2 is heterotrophic mode of nutrition. In autotrophic mode of nutrition, living things synthesize their own food. वो अपना खाना खुद बनाते हैं living things. But in heterotrophics, living things cannot synthesize their own foods. Just like animals, but plants are autotrophic because in autotrophic nutrition, plants synthesize means make. So plants make their own food in the presence of water, in the presence of air, in the presence of sunlight. So this process is called photosynthesis. Today we are going to discuss about photosynthesis in detail. So dear students, photosynthesis. Photo means light, synthesis means make. So make, synthesize their food in the presence of light. Photosynthesis is the process by which a plant uses the energy from the light of the sun to make its food. Plant uses which type of energy? Sun energy. For which purpose? For making of their food. The conditions required for photosynthesis. Here are 4 conditions which are required for photosynthesis. These are basically raw material that are needed for photosynthetic process. Number 1, water from soil. Number 2, sunlight, carbon dioxide in the air. And number 4 is green pigment called chlorophyll. There is a green pigment that is present inside a leaf and that green pigment is called chlorophyll. Photosynthesis is a complex process. Dear students, it is a complex process. A series of chemical reactions changes the raw material like carbon dioxide and water to the food products glucose. So students, these raw materials just like carbon dioxide and water and are changed into the food with the help of sunlight. Basically this is very complicated process and it is carried out in the presence of sunlight, and the final product, that is food, this product is called glucose. Which thing? Glucose. The process can be shown simply by looking at the starting material and the products. Look at the following reaction. Here is the reaction for photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide gas plus water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Here are 4 things: 1, 2, 3 and 4. Carbon dioxide gas plus water, when they add up in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, which things are made? Glucose and oxygen. So these are our products that are formed in the result of the reaction of carbon dioxide and water. Here is a beautiful picture in which in the presence of sunlight, when this sunlight fall on the leaves of plants, so in the presence of chlorophyll which is present in this leaf, plants synthesize their own food and carbon dioxide is used for this process, for this purpose, and in the result oxygen is released and glucose is produced. So student, sunlight, here is the sun
and sun. This sunlight is the major source of energy for photosynthesis. Leaves are the site where the plant make their own food. So student, here are some chloroplasts. Here is the picture of chloroplast. So these chloroplasts are present inside the leaves and they perform the process of photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide enters the leaf through tiny pores called stomata. So what is stomata? There are tiny pores, छोटे छोटे सुराख होते हैं पौधे के अंदर. So carbon dioxide enter from that pores. So these pores are called stomata. They are found in the underside singular stoma. Stomata. And what is the singular form of stomata? Stoma. Look at the figure. Here is the figure. An open and closed stoma. Here is the stoma that is green in color. It is open stoma and it is closed stoma. Water is absorbed from the soil by small root. So water is absorbed from soil by which thing? From roots, because roots are hairy like materials, that the purpose of root is to absorb water. There are special conducting tubes. There are two tubes that are present. Number one is xylem and number two is phloem. So xylem which carry food. Remember student, which conduct, which vein, which tube conduct what? Food? Xylem. Which carry water to the food making cells in the leaves. Carbon dioxide combine with water using stored energy. Now carbon dioxide gas combined with water to store energy. So the glucose is then transported through a special conducting tube. So there are some special conducting tubes from which glucose is transferred. That tubes are called phloem. In different parts of the plant, some of the glucose is used immediately. कुछ glucose फौरन use हो जाती है. And some is stored as starch and some changes to the more complex substance. कुछ starch की form में store हो जाती है and some और कुछ जो होती है वो more complex substance के लिए use हो जाती है. Like cellulose. The vegetable that we eat contain the stored food. The oxygen released during the photosynthesis is required for living things and on living beings on the earth. During breathing, we take in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. Therefore, photosynthesis is necessary phenomena for us because we use vegetables for eating purpose and because they contain large amount of glucose, and we use oxygen gas for our breathing purpose. Dear student, please note this task number 1 on your neat notebook. Task number 1 contains fill in the blanks. Process in which plants make their own food is called photosynthesis. Plant use energy dash to make their food and energy of sun to make their food. Here is some correct option MCQs portion. So student, note this MCQs. The product of photosynthesis is, which one is the product of photosynthesis? Fructose, glucose, carbon monoxide or carbon dioxide. So glucose is the product. So the correct answer is glucose. What are the sites where photosynthesis take place? So photosynthesis take place on leaves. Leaves are the sites where photosynthesis take place. Chloroplasts contain the green pigment. And what is the name of green pigment? Chlorophyll. We have discussed all these things in our reading portion. Task number 3 is about true or false. Raw material for photosynthesis are carbon dioxide and water. True. Sunlight is also used. Roots are the sites where photosynthesis takes place. False. This statement is false. Leaves have special organelles called chloroplasts which contain green pigment. True. This statement is again true. Carbon dioxide enters the leaf through the special pores called lenticels. No, this is wrong because they enter from stomata. So this statement is wrong. Task number 4 is about short question answers. And there are short question answers. Please note all these short question answers and write the answers of all these short question answers. These short question answers are related from today's topic. Let's move toward our long question. In task number 5, there is a long question for you and it is very important question. Describe the process of photosynthesis. Here the heading of photosynthesis, definition of photosynthesis. Raw material, here the names of raw materials which are used in photosynthesis process. Then necessary conditions, here are the four necessary conditions. Then process of photosynthesis, so process of photosynthesis. Then you have to write the chemical equation and this is the chemical equation. You can also write the process of photosynthesis from your book, sunlight paragraph and xylem and phloem, and here is a picture which is very necessary to draw on your notebook. So complete all the tasks that are assigned to you. Dear students, I hope that you have understood the lecture. If you still feel any difficulty or if you have any question regarding this lecture, call me at school's number. I will answer your all queries. Complete all the tasks or homework that are assigned to you in 2 days and share the picture of your homeworks on school WhatsApp number. That's all for today. See you next time. Stay home, stay safe and Allah Hafiz.